Hello there. Today I've got something special to show you. It's a overhead crane that I've been kind of working on, kind of had for a while. So let's get right to the video. Now this is one of my first videos. You can see I've had it for a while, and Marduk was quite different back then. And here I go setting it up. You gotta fiddle around, unfold it, make sure it's in the right position. You actually gotta stand it up, then unfold it, and you know, position it, and you can move it around quite a bit while it's up there, which is quite surprising. And you gotta, get it just right. And of course, you need to have the cross beam inside. So there we go. And unfold it. And how you put it on is there's a couple of bolts up there, and you just hook one onto an L bracket all the way up there, and up for the other side, you set it aside, and I made a special little forky thing, which put it right up there, and it slides around. You got to be kind of careful putting up there. I really should have been wearing a helmet doing this, and you can see it's kind of jiggly and really a big pain in the butt to work with, because you got to get it exactly at the right spot, and putting the bolt in the hole on the L bracket way up there, and it's really a pain, and all the wind really wasn't helping matters. So you can see I adjusted it a little bit there, and that should do the trick. You just gotta wiggle it a bit, and a little more. Come on, you can do it. In almost. Yep, there we go. And it's in. And to get the winch working right, you need some sort of load on it, and off I go and got the battery. And putting the battery on, it's a real finicky little thing with a bunch of little bolts and crazy stuff, and they're really easy to lose, so you gotta be real careful. And of course, you gotta hook it up to the battery itself, because there's like a fun little control mechanism for it. And it's actually on a keychain fob. You can see me with it right there, and get it all hooked up, and up and down it goes. See, look at that. Quite nice. Now I don't have to worry about lifting like the arms and other various bits, and yeah, it's quite nice. And you see it goes down, and it's got quite a bit of reach. Why are you bringing it down that far? Okay, maybe you're gonna lift something. Maybe Judd McStud. No. Oh, gonna lift up the back end and see how that can go. I see. Because that's the base for Talos there, the second giant robot, Marduk's friend. And we'll just see how far that can go up, I guess. You see, can hold the weight, I guess, again. Gonna lift it up nice and level, I guess, to see, what it would be like working underneath it. Get it into position so it can properly raise. And what are you doing? Why are you letting it go up so high up? Well, I guess it does work. And, oh, tipping over. And, yeah. It's got to put some weight on the back, and I guess it would be all set to go. If you do enjoy my content, be sure to like and subscribe, share it with others, and work with winches. Bye-bye.